Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So we are continuing with the series, that is I'm covering the previous year questions of all the chapters. I've already made two videos on trigonometric, that inverse trigonometric functions and differentiation. So link is in the description and you can see them, watch them and practice. Let us start with integration then. First question is integration of cosec x upon log tan x by 2 dx. Students can pause the video and try it, otherwise I'll proceed. So we have to take log tan x by 2 equal to t. This is a substitution type of question. Take log tan x by 2 equal to t. Then you have to differentiate it. It will be 1 by tan x by 2 into half into sec square x by 2 dx equal to dt. Now half, I'll put the value sine by cos, that is of tan. So it will be cos x by 2 divided by sine x by 2 into, this is 1 by cos square x by 2 dx equals to dt. Cos and cos gets cancelled. Now if you see in the denominator, it is 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2 and it's equal to sine x. That is 1 upon sine x dx is equal to dt. Cosec x dx equals to dt. Now let us substitute. After substituting, see cosec x dx, it is equal to dt. And log tan x by 2, it is equal to t. And integration of dt by t is log t plus c. After putting the values back into t, see if you don't put the values back into t, you might lose 1 marks. It comes out to be log of log tan x by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Let us move on to the next question. Integration of e to the power x tan x plus log sec x dx. If you notice it carefully, you can see two functions inside this bracket, that is e to the power x. Have you ever noticed one of the form, that is e to the power x f of x plus f dash x? The answer directly comes out to be e to the power x fx, but you have to show, you have to apply the Layet rule and then complete the question. You can't directly write this. It is just to verify if your answer is correct or not. So let us see how to do this question. This is integration of e to the power x. I'll split it, tan x dx plus integration of e to the power x log sec x dx. And if you see, if I take up f of x log sec x, then the differentiation will be 1 by sec x multiply sec x tan x. So the differentiation of this function, if I take it fx, the differentiation of this function is equal to tan x. That is, this is the derivative of this function. Now moving ahead, we'll take this function like this only, we'll not evaluate it. Taking up this function, so we'll be using the Layet rule, and as you know the Layet rule, it means logarithmic, then inverse trigonometric functions, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. First function is the logarithmic, then it is the second function, that is e to the power x. When you apply the Layet rule, you will get log sec x into e to the power x minus integration of d by dx of log sec x multiply integration of e to the power x dx, then whole dx. This will be e to the power x integration of e to the power x tan x dx plus log sec x e to the power x minus integration of e to the power x tan x dx. After solving this, see, you people can solve this. First you have to differentiate this log sec x, that comes out to be tan x, multiply integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. So that is what I wrote. This gets cancelled and the answer is log sec x into e to the power x plus c, the final answer. Let's move on to the third question. Integration of 1 upon x plus root x dx. Now, don't do this mistake to directly write the answer equal to log x plus root x. No, it is not possible and you don't have to do it. See, if you see these sort of questions wherein you think I can't do anything, these are the substitution questions. You have to do substitution. If I see, I can take root x equals to t. Then squaring both sides, I'll get x equals to t square. Then differentiating, that is dx equals to 2t dt. Now let us try it out by substituting the values. If I don't get anything, any simplified value, so I'll switch to the next method. Let us see. Dx equals to 2t dt divided by, now x, it is equal to t square plus root x is t. Moving on, integration of, now you'll take t common here in the denominator and t from the numerator gets cancelled with that. So we are left with 2 divided by t plus 1. Now see, 2, it is in the numerator and yes, it is a constant. Just take it out of the integration sign. I think now you know the step. 2 log t plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. But you have to do substitution also. So the final answer is 2 log root x plus 1 plus c. Sometimes you tend to forget that you have to substitute back the values. So ensure this, that you have done each and every statement right and also put the values at last. Otherwise you will lose marks. And boards usually give the substitution questions in integration. Now comes the definite integral question, in which limits are there. The first step I'll do is taking LCM, that is 1 minus x by x, then dx. If you have seen this formula, a very important formula, using property, integration of 0 to a f of x dx equals to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So we have to apply the same formula in this question. Equal to 0 to 1 log. So here we'll substitute 1 minus x in place of x. This becomes 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x dx. See, you have to keep it equal to I, because at last we have to do something, right? 0 to 1, then log 1 and 1 gets cancelled. The answer, the value will be x upon 1 minus x dx. The next step I can do is to reciprocal this by taking to the power minus 1. I equals to integration of 0 to 1 log 1 minus x upon x whole to the power minus 1. I hope you got it, dx. Now what happens is the power, if you have seen this formula, log m to the power n is equal to n log m. So the same is to be applied here. 0 to 1 minus 1 log 1 minus x divided by x dx. We'll take this negative sign outside. Oh, sorry, you couldn't see this. See, what I did is I took this minus 1 here in front of this log. It becomes minus 1 log 1 minus x divided by x dx by this formula. So minus, it comes out 0 to 1 log 1 minus x divided by x dx. Now if you notice this is the same value. This is this is I. If you see this is I. See, from the very starting, I had to keep it equal to I only. So this is I. I equals to minus I. Now 2I equal to 0. So the value of I is equal to 0. Answer is 0. Now next question. Integration of x plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. What I think is, I'll substitute the value of 1 plus cos x, that is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. The trigonometric formulas. This is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Now I'll split it. Integration of x by 2 cos square x by 2 plus integration of sin x by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Then see 2 1 by 2, it's out because it's a constant. X by cos square x by 2 dx plus I can write it 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. Next step is 1 by 2 integration of x sec square x by 2. I took this cos square in the numerator. Plus 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Cos and cos gets cancelled. Integration of tan x by 2 dx. And keep on writing dx. I'm not writing. The next step is to take this function. These are the two functions and apply Layet rule. Okay, so this is the first function and this is the second function. Apply Layet rule. After applying the Layet rule, you will be getting x tan x by 2 minus integration of tan x by 2 dx plus integration of tan x by 2 dx. So these two terms gets cancelled and the answer is x tan x by 2 plus c. Question number 6, and this is one of my favorite questions. Integration of tan cube x. You have to split it to tan x into tan square x. Tan x multiply sec square x minus 1, if you know the formulas. Then integration of tan x multiply sec square x dx minus integration of tan x. Now I'll put this tan x equals to t. This gives me sec square x dx equals to dt. And I'm putting this substitution in the first part, the first integration, not this. I'll directly write the integration of tan x, which is log sec x. So let us see what is the next step. Tan x is equal to t and sec square x dx is equal to dt minus log sec x plus c. T square by 2 is the integration of t minus log sec x plus c. Putting the value back, that is tan x. So it is tan square x by 2 minus log sec x plus c. So that was all for the video. Let me give you 2 DIY questions. Make sure to solve them. And if you couldn't solve, please comment it. So these are the 2 questions.